Alright, welcome to another live stream. Trading will be limited during CPI report release 725, 735. Okay, good to know. Central, right? So this is like day 4? Yeah, this is day 4 of passing the eval. As you can see, I do have the buy stop here because 1 hour time frame, as long as we don't break below this low, there's a possibility the price should continue to push up and create a top wick, and that will be the buy that I'm gonna take. Uh, yeah, in order for price to sell, I would anticipate like a 30-minute closure of candle, 30-minute red candle closure. Let's see. Full details. Let's see. Release stops that temporarily restricts new opening transactions on equity and SIM to protect traders from extreme volatility. Let's also do Forex Factory. If today is not CPI, gang. Today is not CPI. I don't know what you're talking about. August 12th. Oh, yeah, should have read the whole thing. It's tomorrow. Oh, whoa, core CPI. That's gonna be fireworks. It's gonna be fireworks. Yeah, I mean, if price doesn't break below its own low, I think we could possibly continue to push up. It's just been, it's really not doing anything on 15 minutes. Oh, we might be. Oh, we're active in buy. Okay, let's go. All right, I'm active. Buy it has been activated. I think stop loss is gonna be like somewhere around this area. I don't want price to like continue to come down. Okay. I think we have broken above the previous candle's high, right? So we have broken above the previous candle's high. I don't want now to price to come back in the negative. So I'm not going to do break even just now, but price shouldn't come back into, the candle shouldn't turn into a red candle. That's where kind of my stop loss is going to be, which is very, very risk friendly. It's less than 10 pips, and I'm actually gonna secure. Let's see if it can create one more push. If it does one more push, let's see. See, volume is coming in, so this is great. Volume is coming in. I have closed my position. Oh my god, this was quick, easy, and simple. I didn't even get to like properly put my analysis down on the screen. This was awesome. Okay. Alright. The reason why I closed is because on the left hand side we have a wick. So this was my trade was a wick fill. And I closed my profits there. And yeah, that was a trade. So where are we? Oh, we're three. I'm $3 away from $1,000 a day. Okay, 51.7. Day 4. That was a good day. Nice. Billy Ratanasoy. I think. I mean, it should continue to push up. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice. There is going to be another opportunity for buys. So now what you can do is you can identify that there is a resistance and then there is support right over here, right? So you can bring this here, support. We can do full white. We can do like 20. And then we could do copy paste. Resistance. Resistance. Okay, right, support and resistance. Perfect. I think I'm gonna mark these areas around here so it's a little bit neat. We can also mark this from this side. I can see break and close BC, break and close above this area. For buys. Yeah, see, price is pushing. There's volume in the market. There's definitely pre-New York session volume. Okay. I think like towards the first 5 minutes of the stream, honestly. 8, 11. Towards the first, let's just say 5 minutes. Day 4 of passing the eval. Okay. Well, on the left hand side, I'm glad gold was able to see a lot of retracement. 4 hour. Oh, nice. 4 hour is breaking above. Yeah, I think there's room to continue to fill all the way to go up to this range in this area here. There is definitely room for price to continue to push up. Is there any way I can see my my history of orders? Top step dashboard. Yep. Account. Dashboard. What is the close total P&L? 62% win rate. This is nice. See, this on the left hand side is what makes me happy. Best day, $9.97. $48 is the worst day. Uh, where can I see my actual trades? Can I see my actual trades? Yes, you can view your complete trade history by checking your account dashboard, opening the trade or performance panel. Performance panel. Where is the performance panel? This is performance tracker. Okay, let's watch this video. Oh, this is nice. There it is. Okay. So 2205, 36. I think that was break even. $90. Oh yeah, I remember losing that last night. Then 145. That was closed half. Closed the other half. 290. Fees. Damn, it's crazy fees. Commissions on top of it. Yeah. It's like $10 to open one lot. Trades taken equals 1. Gold buys 30 pips. It's long here. Close the long right here. And the stop loss was this. How much did gold move? 91 pips. There's not much I'm gonna do because I've already taken the trade, so I'm gonna just watch and see how the price moves. So enter a buy there. Price is breaking above its own high, right? But it's already moved up quite a bit from the range that I'm not comfortable entering the buy. What's the stop loss? Stop loss is 55 pips. Yeah, it's gonna be a good trade. Smack that all on the floor, smack that, get me some more, smack that. What the hell? What the heliante? Smack that all on the floor, smack that, get me some more, smack that. Okay, okay, come on. Another chance to enter a buy. Now, if the price closes back in the range, then there's a possibility for it to continue down to 44, 42. Where is the actual price right now? 43.90. Smack that all on the floor, smack that. Give me some more, smack that. Wow. It's just insane amount of reversal volume. I still think it's still, an uptrend. This is still an uptrend. I know it's a big, big red bearish candle, but it's still a uptrend. No, let's see. Knowing how to identify a trend has helped me a ton. And stay with me here because I'm going to show you how to do that very easily. So this is 15-minute time frame on gold, and you can take a look at it, and there is a big, big red candle rejecting these areas, and this would be, for some people, a panic mode. But if we take a look at this, we can definitely see that on the higher time frame, the price is still breaking above the previous highs and respecting the previous lows. So anytime if you think that on a lower time frame, perhaps 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, if price is creating a deeper low, then you can go towards a higher time frame and identify if it's actually a shift in the market or perhaps just a healthy retracement. Identifying a trend has helped me a ton in my trading, and I'm going to show you just in about 30 seconds how to do so. So what you have looked at, all right. Identifying a trend has helped me a ton in my trading, and I'm going to help you identify. Identifying the trend in the market is the most important thing, and I'm going to help you understand just in 30 seconds how to do that, right? We have seen that this is gold 15-minute time frame, by the way. We have seen that this big red candle is pushing down. Now it has retraced up just a little bit, but some might say, oh, price is now moving down. Now, if you're in a lower time frame, for me 15-minute is a lower time frame. You might be trading 1 minute, so you would have to look at a 5 minute time frame or 15. So I'm going to shift towards a 30-minute time frame here, where we can see that the price was breaking above the previous highs but has been respecting the previous lows. So in order for me to say that the price has shifted the trend to the downside, it would have to break, and not only break but close below these previous lows. Now stay with me here, because what I'm about to tell you right now is going to change your trading perspective, right? So what we can see right now is, I'm going to add another thing. This is going to be a fake out if price, which has closed in back in the range. So that was okay. That was okay. All right. I'm into a buy for price to continue to push up. My stop loss is going to be below this previous candle's low, the current candle's low. Actually, let's do this. Previous candle is right here, and I am anticipating for price to continue to push up to the range. Let's say like right here. If it comes back and breaks below its own low, that's where I'm going to close most of my position. Hey, I'm up $1,000 on the day. Let's go. All right, up about 30 pips. And I've lowered down my position size just because that I traded once and I won. Now, I don't want to lose a lot of those profits, but I do see a good setup, so I lowered down my risk and I entered a position. So in case if it goes against me, it's not going to hurt me that much. And even then, I'm going to try to manage my risk properly. Alright, I'm getting out most of my position. I've closed it. And yeah, I don't, let's see. And I'm gonna bring my stop loss to the low here. I don't think it should break its own low. If it does, then I'm out. Mm, 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 mm. 7:38. That's the time. New York session has opened. Volume hasn't really kicked in just yet. I mean, I don't see crazy volume. 7:30 a.m. That's when the CPI market will be there. So I probably shouldn't trade because I don't think it's gonna let me put buy stops or sell stops. Looks like it's gonna hit the stop loss. So what I will do is I will should I? No, I'll just let it hit the stop loss because I've already managed my risk. It could still go up from here. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. So you don't want to over manage your trade. I've managed my trade. If it comes back down and breaks its own low, that's where I will get out. So yeah, you know, if I closed my own position, it wouldn't have been a good decision. Okay, there's not really a place for me to add my risk back in the position. It's I, I'll just let it be. This is nice. I'm gonna remove these. I'll just keep this here, and I'm gonna bring my support. I'll remove the support for now too, just to make it a little bit more cleaner. This is a one-to-one trade at this point. My risk is about 35, 37 bucks. The profit right now is about 37 bucks. Getting good speed. Nice. Price is pushing up. I'm gonna go to 15-minute time frame because it closed with no wick, and bring my stop loss around 40, yeah, like around here. $75, $75, $75, $76. Can we? Uh-oh. I'm gonna close it right here. Fuck it. Okay, where are we? Oh, let's go. I'm at $1,000. $1,000 for the day. Let's go. That's a good day. That's a good day. Gold trades. 2. Second one, we call it break even. Gold buys, break even. Yeah, let's call it break even because of the profits. So there is a resistance around this area, and I think our new support is going to be like right around here. That's where the support is. You know what? I see my loss was about 40 bucks. What is like I want to see how much Top Step is taking on the day, right? Yeah, this is today. Can I zoom into this? Okay, I can. All right. So August 11. Yeah, August 11. Let's see. It took 3 trades. 705. $200 profit. Duration 1 minute 11 seconds. 52. Okay, $52. Got it, got it. $65 profit. Interesting. 17 minutes for $310. Most of my trades are within 5 minutes. Well, there's some that are 18, 17. I would say like average 7, 8 minutes. Let's see, last month. And I'm averaging about 10 trades a day. That's a little too much. Like today, well, I would say like New York session, I took 2 trades, 1 profit, 1 break even. And I want to see one more thing. Let's see. So I took a long here, right? And then I closed it around, oh yeah, 40 pips, $200. That's kind of what I should have made. 200. What is this? Oh, you've got news calendar. Performance. Okay, we're back in the performance. So last month, let me review some of my trades. Okay, so durations. They're all 23 minutes. $186 in 1 minute? What was I doing? 220? Yeah, gotta cut these losses small. I can't have big losses. That's gonna drain my account. Plus, I'm already paying $7 to these guys here. Seven, not even seven, like 10. $10. 710 plus 250 is almost nine some 960. Okay. August 4, 5. August 5 was a bad day. I took too many trades. August 5 was a bad day. Nine p.m. Okay, so most of these reds were at around 9 p.m. like Asia session. These were also 9 p.m. Asia session. These were 11 a.m. Whoa, that's crazy. So I'm not on my laptop around that time. 10 a.m. Same thing. So most of my trades that I've lost, let's review the last few days. 9 p.m. I've reviewed that. 11. So most of my losses were when I'm not on the screen, right? Let's take a look at the profits. 200 on the screen. This off the screen. Off the screen as well. Off the screen as well. Off the screen as well. Off the screen. In front of the laptop. So I have gotten a lot of profits. I've gotten a lot of profits on the screen. So in conclusion, I've gotten all of my losses are off the screen. Most of my profits are off the screen, but when I am on the screen, I don't have any losses. That's good. I can keep that up. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. 4 hour is about to close. Let's get out of here. I want to take a screenshot of this as well. सो बीजी पट्टी आप लाइव तो चेक करें आप मुझे मैसेज कर रहे हैं आप लाइव चेक करें Also my phone camera is broken. It's broken. Okay, let's see. Prop firm challenge. Low risk. Live streaming. All trades taken live. On my YouTube. All right, let's take a look at actual trading now. Let's see, where are we? Well, are we? What the hell? That's 1 minute. First 1 minute candle is just blasting. Stats. This is good. All right, let's see. Discord पे आ जाओ. Let me turn on my Discord. All right, so two trades taken. I think I'm not gonna take any more trades. That was that was good. So be, let's call so be. Nice. So if I'm streaming, my username is hidden because I'm streaming. That's nice. Hello? ओ वाह जी वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात. बड़े ट्रेडर. क्या हाल चाल है? आवाज कट के आ रही है. हाँ, आवाज आ रही है. ओके. हाँ जी, क्या हाल चाल है, ठीक ठाक हो? अल्लाह का शुक्र, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. अच्छा, मैंने उसके बाद से आपने कोई ट्रेड वगैरह ली? मुझे दो फ्राइडे और मंडे मैं नहीं था. मार्केट ऑफ होती है सैटरडे संडे. फ्राइडे शाम को, यानी कि आप लोगों की फ्राइडे की जब रात हो जाएगी ना, फ्राइडे की रात आप लोगों की मार्केट बंद हो जाती है. और संडे आप लोगों, हाँ, फ्राइडे की रात से मार्केट जो है ना बंद होती है, वीकेंड पे बंद होती है बेसिकली आप लोगों के लिए. हाँ ना, फ्राइडे नाइट से जो है ना वीकेंड शुरू हो जाता है, तो वीकेंड पे मार्केट बंद होती है. यानी बिजनेस जो है ना, बिजनेस आवर्स जैसे यहाँ पे है, फ्राइडे शाम को जब बिजनेस आवर ख़त्म हो जाता है हफ्ते का ना, तो वो जैसे मार्केट बंद होती है 4 बजे, फॉर एग्जांपल 4 बजे फ्राइडे को बंद होती है, तो इसका मतलब कि आप लोगों के शाम के 6 बजे मार्केट बंद हो जाएगी। सुबह सॉरी, रात के 2 बजे, सॉरी। आप लोगों के रात के दो, हाँ, पाकिस्तान के रात के 2 बजेंगे, अगर यहाँ के शाम के 4 बजेंगे। इस तरह का कोई हिसाब है। हाँ, तो वो आप वैसे भी देख लेना कि पाकिस्तान में गोल्ड की मार्केट कब बंद होती है, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा। बेसिकली मंडे टू फ्राइडे। मैंने ट्रेड ली है, लेकिन मैं कल लाइव नहीं आ सका। स्लीप थोड़ा ना, सोने का मेरी रुझान थोड़ा चेंज हुआ हुआ था। तो आज मैंने जो ट्रेड ली है ना, उसको मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। वो मैंने ली थी। लाइव स्ट्रीम आ रही है? लाइव स्ट्रीम खोल के देखो, हाँ लाइव स्ट्रीम पे देखो, क्योंकि डिस्कॉर्ड पे वीडियो शेयर करने नहीं देगा मुझे। अच्छा, इस वक्त क्या नज़र आ रहा है स्ट्रीम पे? हाँ, लाइव पे। अच्छा, अब आपको दो तरफ से आवाज़ आएगी, दो तरफ से आवाज़ आएगी। तो ऐसा करते हैं कि आप जो है ना, फिर चार्ट से ही फॉलो करो इसको, जो है ना, स्ट्रीम ऑन रख के ना वॉल्यूम बंद कर दो, ताकि स्ट्रीम पे एक व्यू तो आए ना। इधर भैंस व्यू ही नहीं आ रहे स्ट्रीम पे। अच्छा, और अब आप जाओ अपने चार्ट खोलो, उसमें 15 मिनट का चार्ट खोलो। अच्छा, मैं जब देख रहा था, या खुद लगाई हुई थी? हाँ हाँ हाँ। यार 5 मिनट पे मैं बस देख रहा था हो क्या रहा था नीचे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे ना, क्योंकि 5 मिनट में तब देखता हूँ कि अगर मुझे पता है कि यार मुझे नुकसान होने वाला है, ठीक है। अब मैं उस नुकसान को, जैसे मैंने अगर $100 का नुकसान रखा हुआ है, तो अगर उस नुकसान मुझे लग रहा है कि होना है, तो मेरी कोशिश ये है कि मैं $100 से कम नुकसान करवाऊं, पहले निकल जाऊं। मेरी कोशिश ये होती है, तो मैं उस वजह से 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम या 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे देखता हूँ। तो खैर, मैंने एक ट्रेड ली थी, अगर आपके पास 15 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम ओपन होगा ना, तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। जहाँ पे एक्चुअली, लेट मी ब्रिंग दिस हियर, 4 आवर 15 मिनट्स। अच्छा, जो 15 मिनट की टाइम फ्रेम है ना, और प्राइस जहाँ पे 4387, वहां पे अगर आप देखो, मैं आपको एक स्क्रीनशॉट भेजता हूँ उसका, प्राइस का भी। मैं बेसिकली आपको बताता हूँ कि मैंने क्यों ली थी, ताकि आपको अंदाज़ा हो कि अच्छा, इस वजह से ये ट्रेड ली गई। ठीक हो गया। ये मैं स्क्रीनशॉट भेजता हूँ। डिस्कॉर्ड पे मैंने भेजा। अच्छा, तो अब प्राइस जो है ना, प्राइस ने एक सपोर्ट बना ली थी छोटी सी ग्रीन कैंडल और रेड कैंडल के साथ। हाँ, प्राइस यानी कि ऊपर गई, ऊपर से वो बड़ी एक रेड कैंडल आई, उसके बाद छोटी रेड कैंडल आई, तो उसके बाद छोटी ग्रीन कैंडल आई, वहां पे सपोर्ट बन गई। ठीक है। हाँ, हाँ, चौथे नंबर पे ना, बिल्कुल चौथे नंबर पे सपोर्ट बन गई। चौथे नंबर पे जब सपोर्ट बनी ना, तो मुझे उस वक्त जो है ना, 1 घंटे का शुरू हो रहा था। 1 घंटे की कैंडल जब शुरू होती है, उसका मतलब ये होता है कि उसमें नई 30 मिनट की भी कैंडल शुरू हो रही है और नई 15 मिनट की कैंडल भी शुरू हो रही है। तो जैसे जैसे, अगर मैं कहूँ कि नई नई 15 मिनट की कैंडल शुरू हो रही है, तो आपको पता होगा नई 5 मिनट की भी शुरू होगी, नई 3 मिनट की भी। अगर मैं कहूँ नई 30 मिनट की शुरू हो रही है, तो आपको पता होगा जो नीचे टाइम फ्रेम है वो सारे नए नए शुरू हो रहे हैं। तो जो 1 घंटे की कैंडल थी ना, वो शुरू हो रही थी, अब ये 15 मिनट है। तो 1 घंटे की कैंडल नीचे गई पहले, लेकिन उसने जो है ना अपना पहला जो एरिया था ना, जहां से वो उठ के आई थी, सपोर्ट बनी हुई थी, उससे नीचे नहीं गई वो। तो मुझे पता था कि हम अभी भी ऊपर जा सकते हैं। ठीक है। तो फिर कैंडल जब आई ना एरिया 43 पे, जहां पे ये ग्रीन बॉक्स शुरू हो रहा है। हेलो। हेलो। हाँ, अपनी वीडियो बंद कर दो, तो शायद उसकी वजह से ना हो। अपनी हाँ, अपनी वीडियो बंद करके देखो, शायद उसकी वजह से ना हो। तो मेरी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो। मेरी आवाज आ रही है? अच्छा। तो अब जहाँ पे अब इस सिनेरियो में ये जो बड़ी ग्रीन कैंडल है ना छोटी ग्रीन के साथ, ये एक वक्त में सिर्फ रेड थी, नीचे जा रही थी। ठीक है। तो मैंने बाय लगाया था कि अगर ये ग्रीन हो जाती है ना, तो वहां पे मैं बाय करूंगा और ये ऊपर जाएगी, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे ये नीचे जो है ना गई, लेकिन इसने अपना सपोर्ट ब्रेक नहीं किया। तो ये जो ग्रीन बॉक्स शुरू हो रहा है ना, वहां पे मैंने बाय लगाया है। ठीक है, वहां पे बाय मेरा ओपन हुआ है। बाय से जब थोड़ी सी ऊपर गई है ना, मुझे पता था कि यार अगर ये ऊपर जाना है ना इसने, तो इसको नीचे जो है ना वापस नहीं आना चाहिए। तो मैंने अपना स्टॉप लॉस बिल्कुल छोटा सा कम रखा, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैंने बहुत दफा इस चीज को देखा हुआ है मार्केट में, कि यार अगर एक दफा प्राइस ने नीचे का लो क्रिएट कर लिया ना, नीचे चली गई है और ऊपर जाना है उसने, तो उसे वापस नीचे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। वह अगर जाएगी तो फिर मेरा ट्रेड का आइडिया वैसे ही गलत हो जाएगा। तो मैंने इस वजह से अपना स्टॉप लॉस, मतलब कि कितना नुकसान करना है, वो मैंने कम रखा। और मैंने ये ट्रेड थी तकरीबन 1 मिनट कुछ सेकंड की। मैंने एंटर किया खुद ही, और एंटर करते साथ ही प्राइस ऊपर गई है, और ऊपर जाके जहां पे वो ग्रीन बॉक्स खत्म हो रहा है ना, वहां पे मैंने खुद ही क्लोज कर दी, क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड पे वहां पे रेजिस्टेंस थी पहले। तो पॉसिबिलिटी थी कि प्राइस जो है ना वहां से रिजेक्ट कर जाए। तो इसको देखते हुए मैंने वहां पे क्लोज कर दी। अब प्राइस ऊपर गई, ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने जो चीज देखी वो ये था कि लेफ्ट साइड पे रेड कैंडल बनी हुई थी। उसका मतलब वहां पे प्राइस एक दफा गई और वहां से नीचे आई। तो मैं नहीं चाहता था कि वहां से वहां जाए और वहां से दोबारा नीचे आए। तो मैंने वहां पे क्लोज कर दी। आवाज भी आई है कि नहीं? हेलो। हेलो हेलो। हाँ हाँ। आवाज आ रही है। आवाज आ रही थी जब मैं बता रहा था कि क्या किस तरह ट्रेड ली और क्यों ली। अच्छा, अब ऐसा करना, मैं निकल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा टाइम हो गया जाने का। तो अब ये पिछले 15 मिनट जो है ना, आप लाइव स्ट्रीम होगी ना, लाइव स्ट्रीम सेव हो जाएगी, तो उस पे देख लेना। तो आपको बिल्कुल समझ आ जाएगी कि ये मैंने ट्रेड क्यों ली। हाँ, ये जो लाइव स्ट्रीम है ना, ये सेव हो जाएगी। तो मेरे अकाउंट में जाके ना, लाइव वीडियोस में जो मोस्ट रिसेंट लाइव होगी ना, वो देख लेना। ठीक है बॉस, कल मिलते हैं फिर। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज।